Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD and GBP USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of DXY in front of us, and we are talking about Euro USD, GBPUSD after a long time. Okay, I'm sorry I was not very regular with Euro USD and GBPUSD. I will try to be more regular in the next few days. Okay, I was regular with gold. Okay, we have a soft corner for gold, but the movement on Euro USD, GBPUSD, okay, was not very promising, and I was also not getting time. But okay, please accept my apology. I'll try to be regular. Okay, so this is the XY. As we all know, Euro, USD, GBP, USD, okay, they are bullish and dollar index is under pressure for the last few days. DXY is trading below 100 right now and the selling pressure is still continuing. You can see US dollar tumbles as Trump's EU tariff talks spurs investor flight. The US dollar dropped across the board on Friday as investors dumped the currency after US President Donald Trump once again ratcheted up his trade war, recommending that the European Union be hit with 50% tariffs beginning June 1. So Donald Trump okay. Okay, no words. Okay, still the market is facing the trade war threat, because of which dollar index is under pressure. Donald Trump has recently threatened European Union to hit with 50% tariff, and this is the reason why DXY is under pressure. If the market sentiment doesn't change, then we can expect the selling pressure to continue on DXY. Okay, and we can see that DXY was trying to take support during the closing hours, but the market sentiment is bearish, so we cannot expect a complete trend reversal here. If dollar index tries to recover also, you can expect around the 100 moving average or the 50 moving average, means around 99.50 to 99.70 market will face resistance again. And in this situation, okay, obviously it will be a very difficult job for DXY to go for a recovery. And where is the next support? Okay, where is the next support? You can see the next support on the chart of DXY is around 98.90, but the support is not very significant here. Why? Because market sentiment is above all. If the selling continues and hits the support, you may see a temporary consolidation. That's it. After 2-3 candles, market will break the support and market will go down. That's why I always say the market sentiment is above all. Probably you guys have also observed that sometimes after hitting the resistance, market doesn't come down. Okay, market just stays near the resistance, and after some time market breaks the resistance and goes up. Why it happens? Because the market sentiment is bullish. For example, in gold, we have seen the resistances are not working. Why? Because the market sentiment is bullish. So here the market sentiment is bearish, so you cannot expect a complete trend reversal. Support do not guarantee reversal. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Okay, and stay in touch with the news. Okay, if any news comes out during the weekend, we will see a direct impact after the market opening. I was not very regular with the videos on Euro USD, GBP USD, okay, here on YouTube, but I was uploading or updating on the free Telegram community. If you still have not joined, please join the free Telegram community for timely updates, analysis, and many more things. And be careful, there are lots of scams also. Only join the community with the link in the description or scan the QR code. Okay, now let's talk about euro dollar, Euro USD. Okay, this is the hourly chart of Euro USD in front of us, and we can see that Euro USD is beautifully showing upside. The up moves, okay, are not very clear, means buying and breakout is not a very wise decision, but obviously the market structure is bullish. In this market structure, obviously if you have a buy position, you can hold your buy position, because not only the market is bullish technically, but fundamentally the market is bullish. So if you have any buy, hold your buy position, because further upside is very much possible, and we can expect Euro USD to continue the upside. This is the weekly chart of Euro USD. You can see, okay, after this spinning top pattern, market has formed this humongous green candle. Obviously we can expect further upside, isn't it? And if we look at the daily chart of Euro USD, on the daily also we can see after taking support around a 50 moving average, market is going up. If the same market sentiment continues, obviously Euro USD will be heading towards 1.1500, 1.1600. Okay, so hold your buy position. This is not a day trader's chart or scalper's chart where you will be exiting after 20-30 pips. This is a chart where you take a buy at retracement and you sit on the buy position. Okay, so if you are looking for a fresh opportunity in the market, then obviously you need to follow the same old strategy that we follow everywhere. Okay, or all the markets respect, that is buy at retracement as long as the market sentiment is bullish. So here on Euro USD, if market comes down for retracement, we can look for a first buy opportunity in 1.133. Why are we considering this particular level here? Because of the previous support, previous resistance working as support. Is this a very strong support? Obviously no, but you can see the volume is not very high. So if market comes down with very low volume, you can look for a support around 1.1333 area. Okay, and we will also be having the 50 moving average around the same area, so we can expect that market will take support. Otherwise, you can also look for a support around 1.1300. This is another level where you can look for a support because of previous support around this area, and we can also see that the dynamic support is there from the 100 moving average, plus it's a round number psychological level. So 1.1333 and 1.1300 are two levels where we can look for a buy position if market comes down for a retracement. Okay, and you can see we also have two zones, yellow boxes marked here. Chances of market coming down to these levels are very less. Okay, but still let's discuss because market is full of surprises, isn't it? Okay, 1.1262 to 1.1255. This is the first level where we can look for a support if market comes down for deeper retracement because of previous support around this area, and we will also be having the 200 moving average. Okay, then we also have a support at 1.123040, but chances of market coming down to this level is very less. But as of now, let's focus on this particular portion of the market. If market comes for retracement, this will be a good opportunity to buy. And if market doesn't come for retracement, obviously we can look for a buy at breakout. Means here we can look for buy above 1.1377. But as I said earlier also, that you can clearly see the swings are not very beautiful. Okay, so taking a buy at breakout, okay, can be a little bit risky because after 10 to 20 pips market will be coming down and you may get stuck. Okay, your heart will start beating fast. So it's better to wait for retracement. But if market doesn't come for retracement, we are helpless, isn't it? In that scenario, you can look for buy at breakout. And my dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable forex trading broker with lowest spread in the industry, you can consider StarTrader. StarTrader is not only a tier 1 licensed broker, but they are also a member of the Financial Commission, which is very rare. Means you can get a compensation up to 20,000 euros. They also provide insurance up to $1 million, so you don't need to worry about the safety of your capital. You can see they have license from UK, Australia, UAE, South Africa, Seychelles and Mauritius. And they also provide swap free accounts. अगर आपको swap free account चाहिए for Indians, they provide swap free account. If you are from UAE, okay, then you will get a swap free account up to 14 days. Okay, and the best part is the spread here. The spread on gold is only 17, on Euro USD is 12, GBPUSD 12 to 15, and US JPY 17 to 18. So feel free to join StarTrader, okay, as your broker if you're looking for a reliable forex trading broker. And if you join StarTrader with my referral, you can also be a part of my Telegram community as well. You can see on WikiFX they have a rating of 9.2. Okay, recently we also had a conversation with the CEO of StarTrader. You can also check out the video. Now let's talk about GBP USD, British Pound, US Dollar. Unlike Euro USD, you can see GBP USD is okay straight going up. So here, okay, the market is more bullish. If you look at the market sentiment, you can see sterling could rise further on UK's better trade position. Sterling rises after Trump's EU, okay, European Union tariff threat. And this is the chart of GBP USD. So my dear friend, you can see because of the trade war, or the imposition of the 50% tariff, okay, GBP USD is more bullish. So here also, if you have any buy right now, you can hold your buy position, because right now nobody knows, okay, what will happen, because US President, okay, Donald Trump, okay, has brought a lot of volatility to the market in the last few weeks. So nobody knows what is going to happen, but yes, the market is bullish right now, so hold your buy position. This is the weekly chart of GBP USD again, and you can see market is standing at the top right now. Obviously, okay, it would be safer for us to buy at retracement, but if market is so bullish, then obviously we cannot help it, okay. But technically, after some consolidation, you can see market has formed this big green candle. We can expect further upside on GBP USD. And this is the daily chart of GBP USD. Here also you can see market is standing at the top. Obviously buying at retracement or after a correction will be safer for us, but the market is bullish, okay. For example, on the GBPUSD, on the daily chart, you can see the 50 moving average is playing a beautiful role. Means any buy around the 50 moving average will be a very sweet spot. But if market is super bullish, market is not ready to come down, we cannot help it. Okay, that's why I said that if you have any buy right now, you can hold your buy position. Okay, and if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then obviously buy at dip or buy at retracement will be the best strategy for you as safety wise. So where are the opportunities then? The first opportunity that you can explore is 1.35 17 to 1.3515. This is the first level that you can look for a buy position. Why? Because see, after the market opening, usually we don't see much volume in the market. Okay, this is a risky level. Okay, let me mark risky. But still, okay, the previous resistance may work as support here. Okay, if you are a risky trader, then you can look for support around this area. If market takes support, if after the market opening the volume is low, you can consider a buy. But if you're not in a mood of taking risk, you're looking for a better trading opportunity, in that scenario, you can consider 1.3480 to 1.3475 because of previous support around this area after the market opening. Means after market opening, if you see market coming down for retracement, then you can look for a buy around these two areas. We also have a better opportunity at 1.3450. Means after market opening, if market shows deeper retracement where the previous resistance will be working as support, the 50 moving average there, 3450 round number psychological support as well. So the yellow box and this line here, okay, they are the better levels to buy. But if market is adamant, doesn't come down, then you can look for buy around the first level that I mentioned here as well. But this is a risky level, okay, do not forget it. And if market doesn't come down, okay, and market is very arrogant, very rude, angry, in that case, okay, here, okay, I do not have any buy at breakout because after the market opening, if straight shot GBP USD goes up, then our risk, okay, our area of value will be compromised. So if you see that after the market opening, GBP USD is going up, then wait. It's better for you to wait because we need a consolidation. After consolidation, if a breakout comes, we can trust. But right at the market opening, if you see the market is straight shot going up, okay, then buying will not be a very wise decision because our area of value, okay, will not be in our favor. So on GBP USD, I will not recommend any buy at breakout because I do not want to compromise with the discipline. It's better for us to wait for the market to come down for retracement. Okay, and if market goes up, then it's important for us to wait for consolidation during the European session or US session. After the consolidation, if a breakout comes, that can be trusted. But before that, it's better to avoid.